Fulani have circled Igbo land. As we dey talk right now, it's happening in Imo State, it's happening in Umuahia in Abia State, it's happening in Enugu State, it's happening in part of Anambra State. This is what is happening in Igbo land right now. You know, they have bring one video today showing us one Igbo man from Anambra that is involved in kidnapping. Yes, our people is involved in kidnapping, but they want to use that to distract you people from thinking deeper of what Fulani is about to do in Igbo land. Do not be deceived. The crime is not meant for only one people alone. Our people have been committing crime, we know that, in our land. But this last one, the Fulanis has circled us, and everybody should be vigilant. Now I'm going to play different part of videos for you to watch and understand what is going on. Share this video as I've watched it and follow this page for more updates.
You go face to face, look him. They like my head up how. But maybe him. Okoro had a bike. I mean, anybody needs their bike. See my body. I could moshi. The bar home bar. I could moshi. See my head. See your hand for there. Why blood no come out? I could moshi. See my hand. What brother? What? See me. What they protect me? I no know.
Now God they do am.
What they guide me, brother? No.
Okay, I can am in college. Guy can go. Now just say back on the woman. 2004. Guy can go to the woman.
I don't feel it, God.
Me and him now for now, and I'm not dog now like this now. They put him in this small boy now. They put him in this small boy. They put him in this small boy now. Just that now, in the Fulani, I got for the 50. No, this close to Jamel. Close to Jamel. Y'all call them Mado Juru na Jamel. Close to Jamel there now. Y'all call them Mado Juru there. Just imagine all the security. What are they doing now? Because no one will need to there now. Jamana hemege there now. Just imagine that in the Fulani batala nezobudu. Just imagine. Y'all call them Mado Juru there now. Right? As I'm talking to you.
I say they body there for that road plate. See.
Hey.
Akuna fugie. Ọ na-emezi iku na-ekwu okwu ndị mmadụ anaghị eji ya eme ife. Tupu ife eruo dị stage, ana m amụ ya ọbụla ọkwa. Na otu esi achụsịsị ndị be anyị n'ime ọfịa na o nwere ndị a na-efix n'ime ọfịa. Kịta now, Fulani Herdsmen ewelugo ana Igbo. Fulani Herdsmen has took over Imo State entirely. Enugu State entirely. Anambra State some parts. Abia State some parts. Ebonyi State entirely. Could you imagine? Now on Sunday, ndị amara attack na Kogi State. Na Kogi, na Enugu. Oluo on Tuesday, ha attack na Enugu. Nke mere n'Obiọma. On Monday, ha mere attack n'Imo State, kidnap ndị foto ndị ọzọkwa. Oluo ụnyaahụ n'abalị, bụgịnị Wednesday. Ha wee pịa yaka n'ezi obodo sirokwu ihe ọgwa n'Imo steeti. Nke ọbụzi nke ha izo onwe ha ezo nọọ korokoro a na-agba egbe ị na-anụ ụda egbe a na-achụ mmadụ a na-achụ enwu dị ewere mma bụ ọnya ka abọrọ ọkụkọ na obere nwa ihe mere obere nwa small boy afọtọka ọnya wute mma. Ndị ọkada agbara agba ka nkụ ozu mere ngwụsalụ ndị egbula egbu n'Imo steeti. Nwere na-ajụ where is ndị Tiger Base? Ka ebe ha nọ mbụ ndị amị nwanne chenche, ka ebe ha nọzi mbụ ndị polisi ịnụsị nọ ndị Igbo nọ n'ime ọhịa na-egbusi ndị Igbo, ka ndị anwasị nọ ndị be anyị nọ n'ime ọhịa na-eche nche na ọha na-egbusi ndị Igbo. Last year ụdị ife emehọ, last 2 years ụdị ife emehọ, last 3 years ụdị ife emehọ. Oge anwa ndị be anyị nọ n'ime ọfịa ọjọọ this year ndị be anyị pụrụ n'ime ọfịa ka ha zuo ike ebe asị na ọha na-eme kịta na kpam Fulani wee n'ime ọfịa be anyị niile. Eche nnọọ isi ndị mmadụ pụọ n'ime ọfịa, you put your own security inside those bushes ka ha na-eche nche di ya. No, ndị amị si from ugwu Hausa kpọta ndị Fulani Herdsmen putuo na bush chesia ha akwa amị buisie ha egbe ha na-agba enyi ha. These people has mastered all our bushes ka o si welode. In fact, ndị aka anyị wee marụ be anyị, ndị akazi anyị nwabụ ndị obodo wee marụ ka be anyị si welode. na ife a na-akọ ha mesi operate ha na free na ọsọ a na-agba ndị be anyị na-agbazi gị ọsọ sharia na ala Igbo na epipụ ndị be anyị na ma ndị ọkada ma ụmụntakịrị ma ụmụ nwaanyị oke ebe ọ bụ na ndị youth na-agbazi ọsọ maka na egbe kalịrị how much more ndị nne ya ga na farm ịkọ ugbo be anyị agụgo na they have occupied everywhere ebe ọ bụ na from Monday to Sunday na ha na-eme attack na ala Igbo nwanne aka awụọna. Can you tell us now na ndị be anyị na-eme anyị? No, ọkwanye afọ gị now ma the news ha anaghị ebu ya since nwanne ụnyaahụ lukwa tata afụbọghọ m ndị amị ka ha bụrụ news that ndị Fulani herdsmen mere attack na ala Igbo. No, mana before every day na ndị Biafra na-egbu anyị, Biafra na-egbu Biafra kịta now kedu ife ji ha nwa ime press release kwuo okwu na ndị Fulani na-egbuzi ndị Igbo? Nsogbu dị na be anyị now. If you just catch this people.
Dede mama. Biko nchere ka ndị ji egbe baigodo ka a na-aga aga. Sorry. No, I know the name. I'll say. No. Ndị Boko Haram na-emedo video ya bụrụ ihe a ka ọ na-atọ na-eme TikTok. Asị gị na ịmadị ihe na-akọdoro ha waka gwa mara m na
My people, this is what is happening in Igbo land right now. And I'm going to show you a Yoruba land. Everyone in that community, everyone has packed their bag and baggages and run for their life because of Fulani. So you that is Igbo and you are helping these people because you have problem with your brothers, you think you can get back at them to join their enemy to fight them. Let me show you how your own village will look like, how your community will look like very, very soon. I prayed that this thing that is happening should start in all of you in your communities. That is where Fulanis will first take over before any other place. Then let me know if you will want to come to my own community to stay and do your nonsense. Now let us watch this Yoruba land. It's gone.
Of course, if anybody had told us that we are going to witness what we are witnessing at the moment in Oroland, we will have said it's impossible. But let me use the statement of our paramount king, Oba Johnson Olariwaju Dada. I think the situation we have in Oroland presently, Orago district of Ifelodun local government, Kwara state, is beyond us. Is beyond us. The situation of insecurity in our domain, we must confess, is beyond us. This is our community, wholly deserted now. Wholly deserted. People have fled for their lives, left their properties, their farms, their businesses, everything deserted now. The whole community is deserted. The whole district, the whole Orago district, and even suburb, they were all deserted now. A place that is blossoming for its commercial activities, for its agricultural activities. See the whole community deserted now. See. People left their belongings From here to Okiowa now, down to Iraban. That's how you see houses closed. Can you see? Houses closed. Nobody. Every place people lived before have been deserted now. I think this is beyond us, really. It's beyond us. And as I'm talking now, we even have some of our community members in the bush. Kidnapped. We don't know their situation. It's a very pathetic situation. It's very saddening. We are worried. We are threatened in Orago district. Please, we are appealing to the Kwara state government, the federal government, and all those concerned to come to our aid. This is a situation we have never witnessed. Even our forefathers, our fathers in heaven, have not witnessed what we are witnessing right now. They chase us away from our farms. We thought it will soon be over, but see now. They've also chased us away from our homes, from our businesses, from our occupations, from our properties. Can you see? Can you see? Houses locked up, nobody. This is the saddening situation which Orago district and its environ, not just Orago district, Okeonya, Kajola, everywhere. This is how it's deserted now. It's a very pathetic situation. We are appealing to the government to please do the needful. Not that you have not done. You have done, but when we have preempted this kind of situation, that there will be a reprisal attack. This is a reprisal attack now. The whole community is deserted. If you see anybody now, maybe it's a vigilante or just some strangers who doesn't have anywhere to go. The whole community is deserted. Everywhere under lock and keys. Can you see? See, this is Ajegunle community in Orago district, and this is how the whole Orago district and its environs have been deserted now. Whether Omugo, whether Okedaba, whether Okeowa, whether Agom main town, whether Oyate, whether Ahun, whether Okeoyan, Kajola, everywhere, Iraba. This is how it's deserted. It's a very serious situation. We are appealing to the federal government and the state government. Please do the needful. You've started it. And one will have preempted that these people will come for a reprisal attack. And they have come indeed. And this is what we are witnessing. It's more than this. Whatever you are feeling now, the sadness is even more than this.
These people you see in this village, they didn't go to any occasion. Rather, they go to holidays. But this is the art of Fulani. Fulani have chased them out from their community completely. Go there in next 6 months, you will see another new people living there, which is Fulani. This is the usual thing they always do. When they chase you out, they give time to see somebody who will come back, bring it. They will come again until they make sure that nobody come to the community again before they will now bring their children, their wife, their other terrorists and start settling there. So this is what is happening. So in case you are helping the Fulanis to fight your own people, prepare your mother, your father, where they will stay in future. But mind you, don't come to my village because we are watching all of you. Guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.
A very, very quick one. Chinasa one area, I'm maybe no. I'm maybe Chinasa one area no. In all these things, Here and the Fulani Herdsmen no make Imo State. I could vividly remember also Chinasa one area Nerendi Kenon Afo. That Afo Junction. Eba hang with a Kerihana Abuya makeshift now. Yeah. I could vividly remember Chinasa one area Churundo also. Chinasa one area Churu these people also. I could remember. Chinasa one area Churunde Kenon old road naked also. Jeba Kwashicha Henile, make sure that those people are no longer threat to the people. Now, case over there, where is Chinas and one area? You can put a name, where is Chinas and one area? I'm a young Jedi watching us and one area. After all, I have SA to the governor on monitoring and implementation. Chinas and one area, it is time for you to come and implement. Chinas and one area, it is time for you to come and implement. Oh, yeah, this is not the time for you to just relax. Government team that when it is in your office. Obia walam. Obia ka yesterday. How did you alumna? You can know Oluagolam. Oluagolam ngai na tipu nde Fulani Herdsmen ihe mpapa ha na Bana State Igbo. Yesterday was hell for ndezi obodo. Yesterday was hell for ndezi obodo. Hell for umu school na Afuto. Onye said they were on Afuto, or said they were on Afuto to go there and be experiencing threats to his life or her life. So the parents who had on Afuto are in Nigeria. And now when they are overseas and they're hearing what is happening in Futo, getting each other at the parents there, eh? This is your office. This is your office. This is not time to play politics. This is your office. I know why I'm calling on Chinasa Waneri. Imo State government deploy Chinasa Waneri. I believe we find them out and fish them out. I may not be agreeing in some certain things with Chinasa Waneri, but I'm here Chinasa Waneri when it comes to here Fulani Herdsmen now. Are we going to rely on police? No. We cannot rely fully on police. And we cannot rely fully on DSS or military. In fact, these people have failed to lie. Hear my the truth. Because our teaching state Igbo deploy Anu Chinasa Waneri to Futo. Deploy Anu Chinasa Waneri to Eziobodo. Deploy Chinasa Waneri to Ohende and Obize. I believe Chinasa Waneri can do that. I strongly believe that. Oh, record that this thing name ebedi na market or ko wen hemenen. Ebu asita ndem adi shi yesterday, but obere nwe ebu ashirishi. Ma one woman atro church na lo yesterday. Umu idiot umu ewu anu mpama, ewu idiot nda na na epie hugu. Ha le nwanye mmadu tro. Now they are talking of 3 billion naira. Eje release the woman. Imo State government, rise up to your responsibility. SA to the governor on special duties and implementation, monitoring and execution, rise up to your duty. Chinasa Waneri, where are you? Haputu Douglas na Wedra. Baga di mo yo bize. Baga di mo ya nekede. Baga di mo ya futo. This is the time.
Nigeria military, police, GSS, Tiger Base, blah blah blah, all of them should go and look for those people. Something happened in Imo State recently, which they have brought back the SARS, which they have disbanded. So now these people, after this attack, immediately they brought them back. So use your head, guys. Share this video.